Hi all, in this session we will talk about text formatting. The legibility of a text matter is directly related to the placement of the text or the arrangement of text in a space. So when we see different publications or newspaper or magazines, we can see that some of the text matter is very easy to follow and some others are very difficult to follow. That is because of the kind of formatting which is used in the arrangement of text. Initially we will talk about alignment. There are four common kinds of alignment which are used, like left aligned, justified, centralized and right aligned. In the left aligned option, we can see here a particular common point of focus is the left hand side of the margin. In the sense, in the left aligned option, we are following a common alignment for the left hand side of the text matter. And in the right aligned option, you can see the common point of focus will be the right hand side of the text matter. All the lines are aligned accordingly in the right aligned option. And in the centralized alignment option, we can see the common focus point is the center area. And in the justified option, we can see justified setting forces all composed lines to start and end in a specific area. It results in the final composition look like a box. Justified text is also called box setting. It is a very popular option used in textbooks, newspapers and magazines, which helps to fix or fit the text in a particular given space. This can be inappropriate at times when we have this kind of stretching effect of the text in a particular set box. So we have two terms associated with the irregularity of the white space, which is just mentioned right here. The first term associated with the irregularity is bubble. Bubble is a unwanted or ugly white space indicated right here, which appears between words. So here we can see the unwanted space between two words, which is quite inappropriate in this context. It is called bubble. And right here we can see a term called river. River is a series of white spaces, which is clearly indicated right here. It is a series of white spaces or series of bubbles making an ugly white line appearance across a paragraph. It also causes discomfort to the readers. So bubble and river refers to two inappropriate white spaces. Bubble corresponds to an unwanted white space which appears between words, and river refers to a series of white spaces which is appearing across a paragraph. This slide talks about hyphenation. Hyphenation is a punctuation mark used to join words and to separate syllables of a single word. Hyphens are mostly used to break single words into parts or to join ordinarily separate words into single words. Here we can see the text composed without hyphenation and text composed with hyphenation. Here we can see the difference. Here you can see two terms associated with text formatting. The first one is a widow. A widow is a small word or the last syllable of a hyphenated word at the end of a paragraph. So here you can see this particular word reader, which is appearing in the last portion of this paragraph, can be attributed as a small word which is appearing at the end of a paragraph. So this can be visually or typographically distracting to a reader. So another word is orphan. Orphan is a short isolated line appearing at the top of a column or a page. It is usually the last line of a paragraph from the preceding column. Often causes confusion to the reader because they are separated from the main paragraph. Due to this position, and often, the term often, can cause typographical distraction to a reader. So a word which is isolated like this can cause typographical distraction to a reader. So here we saw two terms, widow and orphan. Widow is a small word which is appearing at the end of a paragraph, which can typographically distract the reader, and often refers to a particular word, a short isolated line at the top of a column or a page, which is normally separated from the main paragraph. It also causes distraction to the reader because it is kept isolated from the main paragraph. That's all regarding text formatting. Thank you.